Got my first handgun purchase in the state of New Jersey. First legal purchase. Yes, sir. Ruger LCP 380 auto. Here's the mag. Of course, this is empty. Let me see if I can show you. Okay. Empty. I am very safe with handguns. I do not play around with safety. Yes, sir. Comes in 6. Magazine for 6. Empty. Yes, sir. And it comes with this little pouch holster. Comes with the lock and the key, of course. Wasn't too expensive. I think it walked out of it $310, something like that, or $320 with the taxes and fees. And yes, sir, got my bullets right here. Might be going to the range soon, but this is gonna be a first of many. I'm actually pretty happy I got this. Now time to go through with another permit so I can get another handgun, even though it's a little annoying because, you know, with the other states it's different. This is a first step for us, and looking forward to getting my concealed carry permit also, which will be a mission, but we will get there.